Hello everyone, and welcome to today's analysis on the 27th of September. Getting right into it. As you can see that September was a bad month as predicted by all these cyclical analysts. You can see that Bitcoin, for example, have fallen 25% starting roughly around the 6th of September. This long wick at the bottom here into the support zone is a positive sign. And yesterday it was a bit nerve-wracking because Bitcoin did close the week below the 21 moving average, which is bad. But then quickly recovered this morning. So by the time I woke up this morning, it was already above the 21 moving average. So as long as we can stay above the 21 moving average this week, I think we'll be okay. Moving below the 21 moving average would be a definite warning sign. On the daily, we still have this divergence playing out, which is quite a big one. So you've got a higher low with a low on the RSI in the support zone. But we do still have this problem of trading below the 200-day moving average. This line here is sort of a little bit of a trend line just to see if we're moving in the right direction. As you can see, we're still trading on a red 2 because this red 2 is trading below the 4 candles ago. So what we're hoping, what would be good now is a green 1 and then a 2 going above a 1. That could be a buy signal for 7 to 8 weeks of upside, maybe into this zone up here. So that is a one positive development. As you can see, XRP have followed the same sort of path, closed just below the 221 moving average and then moved swiftly above it. So basically exactly the same price action. But the positive sign for XRP is that currently it is trading above the 200-day moving average with this divergence. So XRP is actually looking slightly better. But as we all know, if Bitcoin's going to start falling, it's going to make XRP fall as well. One slight concern is all these short positions are starting to get liquidated or closed out for some reason. This is getting less, which is going to be less likely for a short squeeze going up. I don't like that so much, but anyway, we'll have to keep an eye on that. The futures market is trading healthy today. This could be forming some sort of a cupper handle or a head and shoulders, however you want to look at it. If we can potentially continue to move up across this neckline here, then this week would close out as a positive, hopefully. So then this cyclical analysis was correct, and we have some further upside, coming into the next few weeks. It is a bit of a worry. There's a slight divergence there. So we'll have to see if it actually makes a breakthrough this today. XRPBTC, so you can see XRP is still trading, in this downward channel. So Bitcoin is still dominating. So hopefully we can get a break out of that soon on XRP. But the biggest thing for me at the moment is, from a longer term view, is this chart. You can see that currently, actually, just have a look at this. In October and November last year, this was all the stable coins that was on the exchanges. And during this bull run, look at how much stable coins was printed over this period. And right now we're sitting with an all-time high of stable coins on exchanges. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, that is 19 billion of stable coins sitting on exchanges. I would assume, in my opinion, it would be ready to buy crypto. And if you go, you look just in Bitcoin supply, this is all exchanges reserved for Bitcoin. you can see during that same period, Bitcoin has dropped in supply. So that means that people are taking their Bitcoin off the exchanges. And before this drop, they took it, brought it back on, and then we are now, well, I won't say all-time low, but you know, the last time there was this low on Bitcoin was, you know, end of last year. Sorry, beginning of this year. So there's only $2 billion worth of Bitcoin on exchanges. So there's about 10 times the amount of stable coins in dollar terms on exchanges versus Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin dominance is what, 40%, so maybe it's like make it 5 billion in crypto. So what you're seeing is that there's definite or shortage of crypto on exchanges. This is something that could potentially cause this short squeeze that I'm talking about. If you look at this chart, you know, where all these short positions get squeezed out and the price goes rapidly up, you know, maybe to all-time highs or something in a very short space of time. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and also follow us on Twitter.